Okay, it's Sunday the 9th. I'm doing this around 11:30 in the morning because I got work today, so I have to get this done early today. I will have a new update tomorrow because I will be off. We'll talk about Tuesday's storm more in detail tomorrow, but we'll hit on it today. Our weather outlook is sponsored by
Homes to the place we belong. Kidner Homes since 1972. Kidner Homes has known what to do. With endless floor plans, we will build your dream home with our own two hands.
Okay, this is your afternoon highs. A lot of ice down here, really bad conditions. I know we didn't get the snow we thought we were going to have, just because the upper atmosphere didn't cooperate. There's nothing I can do about that. But I know Jersey got what it asked for, and down here in the southeastern PA kind of got it, central PA. But the northeast, where I thought there would be a lot of snow up here, numbers were down. 1, 2, maybe 3 inches was the tops, and I thought at least up in the areas right along the edge here, in Pike and Wayne, and up here towards Binghamton and all, I thought they would get more. There was heavy snow up in New England, but it just didn't start up in here. So swing and a miss. So sorry about that. Anyway, down here, roads are really bad still, but temperatures are going to rise enough to start melting even the back roads. And I'm on a back road here. I'm sure the highways are probably good by now, but where I'm at, it's not. Okay, so let's take a look at what we've got coming up on Tuesday so far as we can tell. And we're going to pick up the radar here, the simulated radar, around 11 o'clock in the morning on Tuesday. It's just south of Pennsylvania, the snow. The storm is going to be south of PA, so that freezing rain, sleet, and everything like that we had at is not in the picture for this storm on Tuesday. This is around 2 o'clock in the afternoon. You can see it's starting to get into State College out in western PA. They're getting a little bit of snow. This takes you to around about 5 o'clock in the afternoon. You can see it's overspread most of PA, southern New Jersey, and most of Delaware. And it's also, you don't see any, sleet, freezing rain with this in our areas. As we move this ahead to about 8 o'clock in the evening, you can see down in here, this is the area of heavier snow, which is central PA, back towards Reading, and then down this way into Virginia, West Virginia. And you can see to the north, this is not your snowstorm, so you got to share the wealth once in a while. And for the people down south, you're finally going to get another one. You haven't had this in a long time. This takes you to around 11 o'clock, still snowing. The southern part of Delaware, way down here, could see a mix and a change over to rain. And then as we move off, this is around 2 o'clock in the morning. It's beginning to move away. This is around 5 o'clock in the morning, and it's getting lighter here. It's light snow down here in Jersey and Delaware, a little bit on the Mason-Dixon line here, but as we get to 7 a.m., you can see 8 a.m., it's pretty much gone. How much snow we get out of this right now, that's kind of what it looks like. Looks like heaviest snow is down this way across Delaware into South Jersey. Moderate snow up here, basically south of 78. You can get anywhere from 2 to 5 inches in this area. That would be the norm. Some places in Jersey get a little bit more because the storm kind of cranks up a little bit. But the heaviest snow is to the south. If you're in Delaware, you got a storm finally all the way from Wilmington down, almost to the bottom of Delaware, but then it turns into sleet and freezing rain down that way. Along the northern edge up here, you're talking about an inch. A dusting maybe up here, up in the northern part of the state. I think Wilkes-Barre, you're probably going to get a dusting, and I would think Stroudsburg, you're over here. You're probably talking 1 to 2 inches in Stroudsburg. Northern New Jersey, again, one inch or so up there. Newark, maybe 1 to 2 inches. But as you get down this way toward Atlantic City, 6 inches or so. So Philadelphia, where traffic really can't handle anything more than an inch. When I lived down there, temperature total accumulations would be between 3 and 4 inches, probably down that way. Now, if you felt ripped off a little bit up here in the Poconos, you got a little bit of snow that's going to come in overnight on Wednesday night. and could leave you in these blue areas from 1 to 3 inches. Here's off the lakes up here. You're getting some snow because of a system to the north. And then this will pull away. And let's move this a little further out. This pulls away, and then we have another storm to the south, which doesn't really affect us. And then we got this thing coming across here on Sunday, the 16th, into Monday, the 17th. And you can see it's a pretty good storm. Again, this is way off. We know the numbers always change down a little bit, but I would say in the period of the 16th and the 17th, you should probably keep an eye out for bad weather in that time zone there, because you know, it could be a decent storm, but we'll have to keep an eye out and see. This wouldn't be southern Delaware and Jersey and Philly wouldn't be your storm, but you had yours. So now it moves to the north a little bit. So we'll keep an eye out for this stuff. Again, yesterday, for the most part, up in the Poconos, you didn't get what you were supposed to get. But down here in southeastern PA and central PA, it's a really icy mess. But it's melting. It's going to be all right. One more map I want to show you. This is a combination of the Euro model, the FSG model, or the GFS model, the North American model. When I put them all together and conglomerate all these weather maps together, this popped up for some reason, which is weird, but it showed up. But I got the Eagles 27-23. All right, everybody enjoy the Super Bowl and be safe out there.